they are involved in what I call multiple struggles. You are just a struggler and you think that you are a rich person. No, you are poor, but you just don't know. So you see, when I'm looking at, I'm seeing elderly people, no young people, so that you don't. Can I have just 4 volunteers? Just volunteer yourself for me. Come out, 4 people, just follow. Make I use you do an example, so that I will just show the example of it. Because if you get it, you get it. See this one. Thank you, sir. Please line up 1, 2, 3, 4. Because many of you are very hard working, but you are not smart working. There are 3 work that will change your life: hard work, smart work, and network. So many of you are very hard working, but there's no common sense to the work. Many of you are working hard, you are working smart, but you are not in the right network. So hard work, smart work, then what? Network. Because who you know and who knows you determines how far you go. You see, in this life, nobody goes up. You are brought up. Were you not brought up by your parents or your guardian? You can't go up. Nobody climbs that ladder. Somebody will have to bring you up. I hope you know that there are clubs of billionaires in Nigeria. You can't apply. You can't pay money to enter. Somebody inside must recommend you, and they will go through scale to bring you. Say, my friend wants to join. There are clubs in Lagos. I don't know about. There are clubs in Lagos to join. Every year you pay 50 million. Yeah, that's membership fee. 50 million every year. But guess what? There are people that have dropped 50 million 4 years ago. They never accept them. They are on waiting list. Yes. There are 50 million in an account. They are waiting to qualify 4 years later. I still got a call. I said, hey, I paid 2 years ago. Let me talk to them. I said, no, the waiting list here. It's not yet your. Because when look, many of you don't understand. When I look at Christians, I say, oh, this Christianity. There are people that run things in this country. That run things in different sectors. Gatekeepers, power broker. It's not, many things are not done in the office. They are done on the golf club. They are done in the beer parlor. They'll just okay, no problem. Don't worry, just send me. I will send it to you tomorrow. And it's not you will be there. Be writing proposal, they do PowerPoints. They do PowerPoints. Because you know the reason why those clubs are the way they are. By the time you get in there, for you to even be a member, nobody looks down on you. For you to be in that room, you just sit down, go to walking around, or tell everybody just moving around. When you go to, hey, how are you? They will greet you with honor. They won't say, who are you? Because they do that for you to be in this club. You have gone through, so you must be somebody. You may be my next key, so I can't look down on you. So this one you are fixing an appointment. They say come 8 months later. It's just I'll be trying. Oh no problem. This is my car. Hello, done. Hello. So I'm going. So now, you know what many people do? It's called multiple struggles. It's almost possible now that when you go outside the church now, you see some people that will be selling after church now. They will open their booths. They are selling wigs, selling perfume, selling clothes, selling shoes, they're selling all kinds of things. Those same people have a job, but they call it side hustle. That's why you are still hustling. So now, let's look at these 4 people. So, what's your name, sir?
Celestine, sir.
Celestine Babayaro. So Celestine. So let's use case study. They are all Celestine. So Celestine is a teacher. Hello? He teaches in a school. And he earns 500,000 every month. But see, Celestine is not just a teacher, but Celestine has a car, and when he's going to work in the morning, he uses it for transport. When he's coming back, he uses it for transport. Weekend, he does transport. So Celestine makes money with transportation, and sometimes, apart from the 500,000, he can net 200K with the